Hi, this is Tony from Fintech Machinery. Today, I will introduce you about our Masala Blister packing machine. This machine is modified from the DPP150 blister packaging machine, equipped with an additional capacity barrel for source oil material, and fitted with a 316 stainless steel filling head for precise dosing. This section shows the improved DPP150, which includes the addition of pneumatic components and a large capacity material storage tank. This is the sealing area. The upper blister film is fed over the lower blister cavity for heat sealing. This is the outlet for finished Masala blister packs, ensuring no missing packs and complete sealing. If you have demand for this type of machine, please feel free to contact us. We will reply to you within 24 hours.